Hello everyone, how is it going? In this video we're going to be looking at a trick that could potentially help us stay a lot more self-disciplined in pursuit of whatever it is that we are trying to achieve. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video and let's understand this trick. So what is this trick that I wish to be talking about in this video? Well, it's constantly reminding yourself your why. Why are you doing something in the first place? Why are you trying to achieve something in the first place? Let me explain. So while navigating through a normal life, a lot of times we tend to ignore our purpose for doing things or our purpose for achieving some goals. We tend to get drifted along paths that aren't really contributing to us achieving something. In those moments, really reminding ourselves of why we're doing something, or reminding ourselves our purpose behind doing something or our objective behind achieving a goal, can really help us take the right decisions. For example, if you're just sitting on your chair and just trying to do something, and then in your mind you just think, maybe I should do something else, maybe I could watch a little bit of YouTube just to kill time. At that moment, if you were reminded of your why, if you are reminded of your purpose, that could potentially help you take the right decision and resist watching YouTube in order to do something that would be worth your time. Now the question arises, how could we go about constantly reminding ourselves our why? How could we go about constantly reminding ourselves our purpose behind something? How could we remind us our objective behind us trying to achieve some goal? Well, for that we could alter our environment and make some changes that could remind this to us. Maybe we could stick up a poster on our wall in our room that reminds us of our goals or of the situation that we wish to be in. Or maybe we could have a notebook by our side that has all our goals listed. It's all up to us to decide how we're going to be doing it, but the point is to do something that serves the purpose of reminding us our why, of reminding us our purpose with something. Psychology has proven the fact that when we know the why for something, when we are constantly reminded of our purpose with something, we are much more likely to do that thing, and we are much more likely to be self-motivated in that case. So let us leverage this really useful trick and let us use this to stay a lot more self-disciplined and to be constantly aware of our purpose behind doing something. Because a lot of times we tend to ignore the why, and instead we just try to mindlessly focus on the goal, but then we don't remember why we are going to do that in the first place. So that was the idea that I wished to share for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you found some value out of this one. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's it for this video. I'll see you soon. Until then, take care and stay safe.